Everest overall is a video art installation made by Pipilata Wrist. Pipilata Wrist is mainly known for her feminism artwork, and her artwork is normally described as surreal, intimate, and feminist artwork, and also abstract artwork. So, her in this video installation, there are two screens overlapping each other with no boundaries or borders. So one screen is focused as a tropical flower filled land, and another screen is focused as a woman striding across the city sidewalk with cars parked along the line, and she's just happy, smiling gracefully, being very young, and wearing this beautiful blue dress with ruby sparkle shoes. She's holding a tropical long stem flower as just happy girl, a woman, a young girl who's just riding across the line of the road. So what she does, out of nowhere, she smashes a car's window with her long stem tropical flower, which was very out of nowhere, to be honest, in my case. So she just keeps on smiling and continuously smashing the windows. So these two videos overlapping each other is a loop which with a background music, with a very romantic background music, and the video art means to me a lot than I thought it will. It means that women are normally seen as very calm and evergreen, young. They will do everything the society, the men will tell us to do. We shouldn't shout, we shouldn't create any scene or do anything that will be known as unladylike. But in this video, that feminism work is what brings us the most interesting part, which is bringing out our true inner self, that we can be as destroying as a storm or a tornado as we can be and as we want to be. And she's smiling, smashing the windows with this with a delicate thing like a tropical long stem flower. It shows that we have the power to destroy a thing when we don't like it. And a woman police officer walks by her, and she's just looking at her work, and she nods in agreement with her. She just smiles and walks by her. So that's what shows women support women, and it's long time we have been oppressed, and we should be also known as a vivaciously human being. We can do anything we want, but oppression is not something we will continue to like neglect, and we will come forward. So that's what this video installation art meant to me, and it was very interesting, very intriguing, and very amusing to see in a looping with such a beautiful background romantic music. And the smile of the woman is what matters, what catches the eyes the most, with her long stem tropical flower, and the continuous smashing of the windows is what worth the watching the video, watching the art installation. That's my review. Thank you.